From 1st to 12th grade, we spent 13,000 hours at school without learning those things. Good morning, champ. Welcome to Chief here, a professional problem solver coming to you live for another episode of Wake and Make. Today we're going to talk about school and especially what they don't teach us at school. I hate to break it to you, but school does not teach us much about life. Here's some examples I want to share with you. We don't learn much about financial literacy. As far as budgeting, we're a complete mess. We didn't know anything about credit cards. All we knew is that we got approved. And it's pretty easy for us to fall for that trap. Basic investment strategies. Nobody's teaching us how to invest our money. Most people spend their money, they don't invest them. No one is teaching us how insurance works. We don't know that if we shop our prime insurance every 6 months, we're going to get a discount from the other competitor. No one is teaching us what is a low-risk loan versus a high-risk loan. No one is sharing with us how to buy the house, cars. We have no idea what zero down payment means. It means financial disaster. That's what it means. No one is teaching us how to prepare for emergency. I mean, COVID hit a lot of people hard. One of my favorite is student loans. No one can repo their student loan, right? So student loan stays with you. If you choose not to pay it, they will garnish your wage until the day you die. No one is teaching us anything about taxes. Why does only companies like Amazon and Facebook and all these big companies avoid paying taxes? No one is teaching us how to keep important records that we would need in the future. How to file them, how to store them. No one is showing us how to do this. No one also is teaching us the most important thing about money. How do we put money to work so we don't have to? No one is teaching us anything about mental health, depression, anxiety. Why do we suffer with that? No one is teaching us anything about the imposter syndrome. And guess what? All of us struggle with that. No one is teaching us about the importance of making mistakes. No one is teaching us problem solving. No one is teaching us the power of persistence, the power of resilience. As far as business, it's a big mess. No one is teaching us how to work smart, but not hard. No one is teaching us online etiquette and safety. As far as business goes, no one is teaching us any personal skills, interpersonal skills, people skills, sales skills, advertising or marketing skills, delegation skills, teamwork skills, public speaking skills, like a real public speaking skills, job interviews. How do we pass job interviews with flying colors? How to start a business. No one is teaching us startup. No one is helping us with life management, with time management. No one is really helping us with scheduling, with planning our calendar, with journaling, with tracking our goals, with setting our goals, the importance of goals, the importance of visualization, the importance of stress management. No one is teaching us the Pareto principle of the 80-20 rule. No one is teaching us work and life balance. No one is teaching us how to spot a scam. No one is teaching us basic first aid or emergency, how to save our children's lives. No one is teaching us parenting. And most importantly, no one is teaching us on kindness, acts of service. No one is teaching us on basic reciprocity. From 1st to 12th grade, we spent 13,000 hours at school without learning those things. But that's the main reason why I founded Velco Academy, so we can share this information with you. Take a look at velcoacademy.com, join one of our masterminds, and we'll teach you all those things. Make it a great day.